Hi, Cranky Motors here with a quick guide to kickstarting your Honda Navi, even if the battery is dead. Firstly, turn on the ignition key. Second, check the engine kill switch. Make sure it is switched to the on position. Third, turn on the choke to maximum. You shouldn't be using the side stand. Make sure that the bike is set to the center stand. And then kick the Kickstarter out. You can only kickstart the bike on the center stand. Turn on the gas. It can be on reserve or on. Make sure that the back brake is not enabled. And then grab the handrail at the back and give the bike a good kick. It might take a couple of kicks to get it started, especially if the engine is cold. Thank you. Remember to like and subscribe.